Good morning, Josh.
Good morning, Kap.
I called you today because you are one of the winners of our online anti-drug abuse advocacy question and answer contest in the municipality of Digli. I have a few questions from you. First, how did you learn about the contest?
I learned it from my schoolmate because everybody is talking about it.
Okay. Next is, what is your strategy why you were able to win the contest?
I immediately studied the materials posted on the Facebook page upon posting so that I can answer the question immediately.
Next, how effective is the contest in delivering the anti-drug abuse advocacies?
It is very effective because everybody is talking about it and everybody wants to join the contest.
Lastly, what is your feedback about the contest?
Napapasana all yung mga kamag-anak ko sa ibang bayan at gusto rin nila na sana magkaroon din ng ganitong contest sa kanilang bayan.
Thank you so much, Josh. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, Mancha. Thank you.
Sa